pylons here. I think 6 this way and 4 that way. So it's continually expanding. Each one has to have his stamp on this particular temple, not on other temples. Other temples are built often in one fell swoop, and then additions are made after 1 or 2. But here, every single pharaoh does something or another. I think that's part of the overriding plan. This 500-year extended exercise in high magic.
Karnak was a 500-year extended exercise in high magic. As each generation passes the torch to its successors, ensuring the continuity of human life, each generation continued the development of the temple according to the universal laws of growth. The individuals would come and go, but life itself continued. The House of Life was the embodiment of this divine continuity. What kind of culture, what kind of mind creates a blueprint that utilizes time as a dimension of the structure, perhaps as a function of the structure? Time itself was a necessary dimension in the faithful retelling, the faithful archetypal representation of this principle. Life is growth, and growth is a 4-dimensional process. It was said that Egypt was made in the image of heaven. As above, so below. It is difficult to distinguish between witnessing the majesty and mystery of the temples and participating in the transformative process oneself.
We are confronted by temples, by artwork, by pyramids, by structures that evoke in us a kind of emotion that is very hard to ascribe to mere superstition or romantification or romance. And these temples are based upon principles that are, in fact, sacred sciences. They are, let us say, the science of immortality, the science of attaining eternal life. When we are in the presence of one of these Egyptian temples, we are, whether voluntarily or involuntarily, put into the presence of the divinity or the principle to which that temple is consecrated, and whether we like it or not, we respond often with awe and wonder. And this awe and wonder is not, let us say, an artifact of our susceptible imagination or romanticism on our part. It's an example of the high science of the ancients, a sacred science.
The sacred science, the timeless wisdom of the mystery schools. The keys to powerful magic have been preserved, enshrined behind a veil of harmony, proportion, myth, and symbolism. When seen through the symbolist decoder,